Indeterminate sentence, advantages and disadvantages. Indeterminate sentences were once the norm in every state and federal court. Although most crimes carried a maximum penalty, judges could choose from a variety of options, including imprisonment, probation, and fines. Indefinite punishment has caused a lot of discussion, and it has advantages and disadvantages that should be considered. The fundamental benefit of this system is that it helps offenders get back on their feet. The purpose of this method is to properly rehabilitate persons back into society, taking into account that everyone has their own needs and that they must be different for everyone. Second, under indeterminate sentencing, prisoners can be released early and live their lives as free people, provided they regularly prove good behavior. Furthermore, everything is taken into account when determining an individual's sentence, not just the offense itself. Things like criminal background and behavior while incarcerated will contribute to rehabilitation efforts to assess whether a person deserves to be free. On the other hand, one of the significant downsides of the indeterminate system is that it gives the parole board much too much power, which can lead to discriminatory rulings. Minorities have traditionally faced harder decisions than non-minorities, as shown by prior experiences. Connections often influence the parole board's choices. Second, a criminal who fully comprehends the system can get freedom via sheer deception. He might earn an early release if he behaves correctly while in prison and demonstrates that he is willing to be a decent citizen outside. However, if he lied about everything, this early release would just release a criminal into society because of the weaknesses in indeterminate punishment. Everyone has the right to appeal to one of three courts. Some distinctions between these three appellate courts are worth considering. The authority that each court possesses is one of the most significant variances. Supreme Courts have more power than conventional trial or appellate courts, with the United States Supreme Court wielding the most power of all. The Supreme Court has the authority to check the appellate court's rulings. A person's first court of appeal is an ordinary appellate court. This court has the power to support or overturn the trial decision.